Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful aseoke Zara cap that is showing on your screen right now. I have lots of videos on how to make various Zara caps using various materials, but the one I posted last 3 weeks was on how to make aseoke Zara cap. Please watch that first so that you understand how I made this beautiful aseoke Zara cap, the base, so that you can now understand how I'm going to just make this one, because I will just be showing you how to embellish this one, okay? You will learn a lot of intriguing things in the process. Now, this is the first one. I used just one hand to actually fold this. I folded it into two, and then this is the center. Okay, and the measurement is, of course, 45 inches by 7 inches width. Okay, so 45 inches by 7 inches. Okay, now I'm going to fold into two again. Just watch carefully, you will understand. I'll fold the aseoke into two again. Okay. Then you can see this part that I bent like this. That's the part that we're going to get that effect of a double bow kind of effect on the aseoke. So I'm going to just gather from the center like this. Okay. Now there's something about this aseoke embellishment. It wasn't just me that did it. My student did hers too. That's another intriguing thing. So at this point, I was trying to find a particular position. Yes. So I made this at night and I was trying to get the particular position that I wanted to stay on my Zara cap aseoke. So I've gotten it and I'm going to use my needle and my thread to just stitch. Okay, so at this point I have stitched together with my needle and my thread, and then I'm going to use it to attach on my Zara cap. What I love most about this design is that you can actually twerk it how you want. You can see the way I'm folding it. I'm still using one hand though. Is it not intriguing? Yes, you can fold it this way. You can keep it straight. So at this point, this is my student. I'll call her my emergency student. Maybe I'll explain better some other time. So at this point, she was trying to attach her own, and it's just, if you've been following my channel, if you're my student, you would know how to do this neatly. Okay. And then we were just laughing and enjoying the process. Millinery is very interesting and enjoyable. You can be my student by contacting me in the comments through the number showing on your screen, or you can comment in the comment section. So this is how beautiful it came out. Okay. So if you would love to be part of my training, just let me know in the comment section or send me a message, a WhatsApp message through the number that is showing on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to see your work.